Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC MCQ series. Plums is a prelims level up MCQ series. On daily basis, we'll deal 5 MCQs. So today episode is 2:30 July 22, 2023. So today we are going to deal MCQs related to CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning. So as part of Plums, daily 5 MCQs will be dealt at 9 p.m. by different faculty regarding different subjects. Okay. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. So there are lots of free content which is already there in the Vysh IAS YouTube channel. If you want to get access of this content, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any doubts regarding the test series, you can call to this number 7200 681675. Sorry, you should not call. You should WhatsApp to this number if you have any doubts or queries. Okay, regarding the foundational video or test series or any other doubt regarding the channel or the exam, you can text through this number, WhatsApp number. Okay, now let's solve MCQ number 1 of today's episode. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a cistern in 8 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B fill it in 9 hours more. The time taken by C alone to fill the cistern. Okay, so as it takes 8 hours, as it takes 8 hours to completely fill the cistern, in 2 hours they'll together be filling 1/4 of the cistern, right? 1/4 of the cistern will be filled by the together. Then 3/4 of the cistern is filled in the 9 hours. Okay, the rest of the 3/4 of the cistern. So if the 1/4 is already filled, 3/4 will be filled in 9 hours by A plus B according to the question, because C is closed. Okay, C is closed. Together 3 of them will cover the 1/4 part. Okay, so I'll repeat again. So 3 pipes A, B, C can fill the cistern in 8 hours. If they work 2 hours, in 2 hours 3 of them can fill 1/4 of the part. 1/4 of the cistern will be filled by the 3 in 2 hours. If they can fill total in 8 hours, 1/4 of the part 3 of them can fill in 2 hours. So 3/4 will be remaining when C is left. Okay, when C is leaving, 3/4 of the cistern is still remaining, which is filled by A and B in 9 hours according to the question. So it means they can fill the whole cistern in 12 hours. Okay, if 3/4 of the cistern can be filled by A plus B, A and B in 9 hours, it means they can fill the total, that is, one part will be filled in 12 hours. If 3/4 part is filled in 9 hours, one part will be filled in 12 hours. Okay. In terms of percentage, A plus B, let me write. In terms of percentage, A plus B does 100% work. As we got it as 12 hours, A plus B plus C can do the 100% work in 8 hours according to the question. This is something which we have found and this is given in the question. Okay, so amount of work done by A plus B in 8 hours is, so if so in 8 hours, what is the amount of the work done by A plus B? So A plus B can do 100 total out of 100, 12 part of the work into 8. Okay, they can do this part of the work in 8 hours. So 100 by 12 into 8, that is 200 by 3%. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So 200 by 3% of that work can be done by A plus B in 8 hours. So it means, so let me write it once again. So A plus B in 8 hours, they can do 100 by 12 into 8, that is 200 by 3% of the work. Okay, so it means the remaining part is done by C, which is total is 100 minus 200 by 3. So that this remaining part is nothing but 300 minus 200, that is 100 by 3. So 100 by 3% will be done by C, the time taken by C alone. Okay, 100 by C. So 100 by 6% of the work is done by C in 8 hours. Okay, 100 by 6 amount of work is done by C in 8 hours. 1% will be done by C in 8 into 8 by 100 by 3 hours. So 100% work will be done by C in 8 by 100 by 3 into 100, that is 8 by 100 by 3 into 100, that is nothing but 24 hours. So 24 hours is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. A person can travel at the speed of 40 miles per hour. If he increases his speed by 60%, how long will he take to cover 320 miles? Okay, let me write the data. So according to the question, the original speed, okay, is equal to 40 miles per hour. Okay, this is not meter, this is mile per hour. Okay, if the speed is increased by 60% as per the question, then the new speed will become 100 plus 60. So 160% of 40 is nothing but, if you solve this thing, you will get it as 64 miles per hour. 60% if it is increasing, so 160% of 40 is nothing but 64 miles per hour. So the distance to be covered is nothing but 320 miles as per the question. So we know that time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 320 as per the question by, and the speed is 64. If you solve this equation, you will get it as 5 hours. So option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. In a class there are 60 students and out of whom 15% are girls. Each girl monthly fee is 350 rupees and each boy monthly fee is 34% more than a girl. What is the total monthly fee of the girl and boy together? Okay, let me write the data. Number of the girls. Okay, number of the girls is, so out of the 60 students, 15% are the girls. It means 15% of 60 is nothing but 9. So 9 girls are there. So this 9 girls will pay 350 amount. Okay, 350 is the fee for 9 girls. 9 into 350, that is 3150 is the total amount of the hostel fee. Is it the hostel fee? Yeah. Monthly fee paid by the girl is 3150. Okay, whatever it may be. So 350 into 9 is nothing but 3150. Number of boy is nothing but 60 minus 15, that is 60 minus 15%, that is 60 minus 9 girls. So 51 are the boys. So let me write the data once again. You may feel clumsy. So the number of girls is nothing but, so out of the 60 students, 15% are the girls. So girls are nothing but 15% is 9. So boys will be 60 minus 9, 51. Okay, girls will pay 350 each. Okay, the total amount of money paid by girls is 350 into 9. It's nothing but 3150. So boys pay 34% of the amount that girls pay. 34% of 350 is nothing but, if you count it, 34% of the 350. So 34% more than a girl. Okay, 34%. 134% of 350 is nothing but 469 if you solve it. So each boy pays 469. So there are 51 boys. 51 into 469 is nothing but 23919. So this is the final data. So the total monthly fee of the boys is nothing but 23919. So the sum amount of the total monthly fee of girls and boys together is nothing but 3150 plus 23919. If you do the digital sum also, if you directly add also, you will get it as, okay, the unit digit should be 0 plus 9. So the 9 should be in the unit digit. So only B option has 9 in the unit digit. So option B is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. If you directly add also, you will get the answer. But in order to save time, you can use these tricks. What will be the cost of laying a carpet on a floor which has its length and breadth in the respective ratio of 32:21 and where its perimeter is 212 feet? The cost per square foot of laying the carpet is rupees 2.5. Okay, let's take, so they have given the ratio. Let's take the length and breadth as 32x and 21x. The perimeter is given as 212. Okay, 212 is the perimeter. 2 into length plus breadth is nothing but its perimeter. Okay, 2 into length is 32x plus 21x. It's nothing but perimeter. If you solve it, 32x plus 21x into 2 is nothing but 106x is equal to 212. So if you solve this, you will get it as 106 into 2. It's nothing but 212. So x value is 2. Okay, x value is 2. So therefore, we have to find the area of the floor. That is, area of the floor is nothing but length into breadth. So we have got x value as 2. So length will be 32 into 2. Breadth will be 21 into 2. So if you multiply this both, 32 into 2 into 21 into 2, you will get it as 2688. You have to solve this on your own. So 32 into 2 into 21 into 2, the final value will be, if you multiply all of this, you will get it as 2688. Okay. So the cost of laying a carpet is nothing but 2.5 rupees per square feet. Okay, so for 1 square feet, so how much square feet we have found? The area of the total carpet is nothing but 2688. So 2688 into per square feet, what is the value? 2.5. So the total value is 2688 into 2.5. So in the unit digit you will get it as 0, or you can directly multiply, because option A also has 0, option B has also 0. So you can even do the digital sum, or you can multiply. You will get the answer as 6720. Okay, MCQ number 4, A is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. The circumference of the front wheel of a cart is 40 feet long and that of the back wheel is 48 feet long. What is the distance travelled by the cart when the front wheel has done 8 more revolutions than the rear wheel? Okay. Let's take the rear wheel makes n revolutions. Let's assume the rear wheel has done n revolutions. Okay. At this time itself, the front wheel should have made n plus 8 revolutions, right? Because they have given it as 8 more than the rear wheel. So the front wheel, this is the rear wheel, front will do n plus 8 at the same time. Okay. So as both the wheels would have covered the same distance, okay, if they covered the same distance, it's nothing but the circumference of the front wheel of the cart is 40 feet long and the back wheel is 48 feet long. What is the distance travelled by the cart? And the front wheel has done 8 more revolutions than the rear wheel. So the total distance travelled will be 40 into n by the by the rear wheel is equal to, 48 into n by the rear wheel and 40 into n plus 8 by the front wheel. So the distance travelled by the front wheel and the back wheel will be definitely the same. So we have to equate this both. So let me write the last step once again so that it will not look clumsy. Okay, 48n, that is rear wheel, is equal to 40 into n plus 8. This is front wheel's data. So if you solve this, 48n is equal to 40n plus 320. So 48 minus 8 is 8n is equal to 320. 8 4s are 32. So n is equal to 40. So the distance covered should be the distance covered. This, what did they ask in the question? When the front wheel has done 8 more revolutions than the rear wheel, what is the distance travelled by the cart? So the distance travelled by the cart is, we have to substitute n value in this or this, either 48 into n or in 40 into n plus 8, whatever it may be, the final answer will be the same. So let me take 48n, 48 into 40. Okay, if you do this, you will get it as 1920. So option D is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So today's questions are little bit tough. So you can listen to the video once again and have a keen concentration when you are listening to the solutions. Okay, and you can solve the questions on your own once again in order to resolve your problem. So that is it for today's video, and we'll meet with another 5 MCQs tomorrow with another subject by another faculty. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe to this Vysh IAS YouTube channel, and thank you everyone. Bye bye.